Most people think fixing your life takes years. But what if it only took one? Not with motivation, not with hustle. Just 3 simple rules. Rule 1, the 5-minute launch. Feel lazy, stuck? Just say, I'll do it for 5 minutes. That's it. The brain tricks you, but action rewires it. Once you start, you won't stop. Rule 2, the 1-page shift. Read just 1 page a day. That's it. No pressure. Just one idea. That might change your next decision, which might change your direction. Rule 3, the mirror rule. Every night, ask 2 things. What did I do right? What can I do better? That's it. No journaling, no fluff, just awareness. Perspective flip. You don't need a new life, you need a new system. And this one is effortless. The challenge, do it for 30 days, then 90, then 365. Not perfectly, just consistently. And I promise, you won't recognize yourself in a year. Final call to action. The clock's already ticking. Start today, and let's grow together.